Hello, my name is Neill Horton. I'm one of the .NET instructors here at Centriq Training. Here to talk to you about the .NET Project Week. The Project Week falls in after DDWA in the track, and the big point of this week is to kind of go back and utilize all the things that we've learned over the last few weeks, kind of pull them in, and you get to sit down on your own. It's kind of the week that you get to grow from a student more into a peer with the instructor, really where you get your developer legs, as we say. So to get a bit of an idea of what we do as part of the project job tracker, you'll build the database for it pretty much from scratch. It'll be one of the first things you do after you get your design requirements. You'll do your site design as well, utilizing the XHTML and CSS that you learned earlier in the track. And then the server-side developments using the C# fundamental skills, as well as the bulk of skills that you pulled from DDWA. So the core purpose of Job Tracker is really 4 different sections. So it's built to track data for the companies that you're interested in, the job postings at those companies, the contacts of those companies that you're going to be communicating with, and then also those communications. So as you send an email or make a phone call or send a resume, we want to go into the system and keep track of it so that you can come back and not only use this to kind of show what you can do as a developer, but you can also use this tool to help you in your job search to kind of help track this information. All right, to give you a bit of an example of one of the sites, and we have a full list of these you can go out and look at if you request it. This is Kim's site, one of our recent students. And just to kind of give you an idea, his navigation up top goes from companies to job postings, contacts, communications, much like the 4 sections we talked about here. If I go out to the companies page, I have the ability to come down here and view the details, and I'm going to pick on Garmin International here, so I can pull up Garmin. I can go in and view all the jobs that he has there at Garmin, or go in and just select and see more of the details. So and of course their logo and all their company information, a little bit of notes and things like that that Kim has kept on Garmin, as well as their URL, so we can link directly to their website if we wish. On the job postings page, similar to the companies, the idea is to kind of keep track of a list of job postings that we're interested in, kind of what their status is, so we can see that we've got a lot of these are active in process. I've got active not yet applied, so we can view the status and kind of know where we're at with that particular job posting. And we can see more details by going in, like here on the clear wire option. Go in and look at this one again, see more details about it, kind of what the deadline date is on this one, and again you see the status. Contacts works in a very similar way. I see my list of contacts, what company they work for, and I can go in and see more details about those contacts. Communications, it's all about what type of interaction I've had with those contacts. So in our case here, I can see I've got, I'll click on Garmin once again, we've got an email out to Garmin, went out on 7/19/2010, and I can come in here and view more notes about it, and I can make modifications as an admin to it. So security will come into this application as well, much like it will on the rest of the project sites that you build. So thank you very much, and this is what you have to look forward to with your project week.